Today my hair just wants to bounce and it's not good. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am back. And आज हम करेंगे privileged girl shopping. If you don't know what that is my friend, a girl who has everything, and she is lucky enough to have people take care of basic stuff, which is food and a roof over your head. So she does privileged girl shopping. And what was the first thing on my list was not available, which was rosemary plant. तो एक rosemary plant इतनी बड़ी nursery है. They have all the fancy flowers, all the fancy plants that you can think of. They do have it. But one thing that they don't have is rosemary, which is exactly what I wanted. But I'm not gonna give up, and I'm gonna go and buy myself some real nice flowers. And not flowers today because 14 Feb wala Valentine's week chal raha hai, so everything is hell expensive. Like, you know what I mean, right? So because of that, sadly, we gotta do something else. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the preparation. I'm gonna buy myself a vase, flower vase, and a pen stand because I need a pen stand. It's a basic thing. And whatever the mood strikes, babe is in the grind to buy some stuff. So flower vase is something which is important. So I'm gonna buy that because I'm gonna buy myself flowers soon. After 14 Feb, of course. Unless someone gives me flowers. But the possibility of that happening is like nada. It's nada. You know what I mean. Sadly, it's nada. But it's not impossible. If anyone is seeing this video, send me flowers. Like, even as an emoji, that counts. An effort is an effort. Also, weird thing about flowers, I saw a video of someone saying कि किसी लड़की ने उस लड़की के लिए flowers मंगवाए from Blinkit, and he was like कि अरे इसमें तो एफर्ट ही नहीं है. उसने अपनी टॉयलेट सीट पे वो बैठी हुई होगी, उसने जहाँ पे बैठ के आप ग्रोसरीज ऑर्डर करते हो वहीं से उसने फ्लावर्स ऑर्डर कर दिए. भाई उसने फ्लावर्स ऑर्डर किए. प्लीज काउंट. लाइक पीपल आर सो प्रिविलेज्ड दीज डेज. भाई तुमको फूल मिल रहा है, तुम खुश रहो उसमें. लाइक दैट पर्सन थॉट ऑफ यू एंड थॉट ऑफ गिविंग यू फ्लावर्स. इट इज एज सिंपल एज दैट. भले वो जाके खरीद रही है या अगर उसके आसपास नहीं होगा तो वो ब्लिंकिट कर रही है. ब्रो ब्लिंकिट पे ज्यादा महंगे मिलते हैं. Just appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that. Just don't be so ungrateful. Flowers तो सभी देते हैं. Like no, not everyone. Whenever I drive, I stop anywhere and just look out, and it's so beautiful and amazing, and it just makes my day. Again, a privilege, my dear friends, a privilege. So let's just enjoy that. Oh my god. Wrong side से भी आ रहे हैं लोग. Also, I forgot to show everyone who's right beside me a very, very important aspect of my life, if you guys didn't know. Oh, whoa. Bro, stand up. Take a stand, okay? Dun, dun, dun. It's my tennis racket. I haven't been able to play tennis for some time now. And I'm gonna go do that now. So amazing. I'm gonna do some shopping, we're gonna do some walking, and we're gonna play tennis then and then call it a night. I mean, how amazing is this schedule? And दिन में मैं धूप में बैठ के books पढ़ रही. Is it just me or is everyone around me being grateful at the same time about the same things? मतलब भाई, it's a privilege. Yeah, I did make breakfast in the morning. गोभी के पराठे. They're so tedious. It's a tedious task to make गोभी के पराठे, dude. रेसिपी वीडियोस में तो सब कुछ 10 सेकेंड में 1 मिनट में बन जाता है, 10 मिनट में बन जाता है. बट रियल लाइफ में इट टेक्स अबाउट लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. बेसिकली घंटे लग जाते हैं. बट एनीवे, आई वुड स्टिल डू दैट बिकॉज इट इज फन. नाउ वी गोना गो बाय सम फ्लावर वाश एंड सी इफ वी कैन फाइंड समथिंग. So I went to the market, बट मुझे वहाँ पे वास मिला, बट वो बहुत ही छोटा वास था एंड उस पर मेरे फ्लावर्स फिट नहीं आएंगे. सो आई couldn't find a pen stand, I couldn't find a vase. आज जो भी मैं खरीदने निकली हूँ सब एकदम कैंसिल हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो इफ दिस व्लॉग इज वर्थ even publishing, because there's nothing. It's just me chatting up, which is honestly okay, I guess. मतलब ठीक है, it's not the worst thing in the world. We all can agree to that very very nicely. And मैं भी पार्क के सामने हूँ and people are playing with their kids and I'm gonna join them and I'm gonna do my own walk. Not join them, not gonna play with kids. Not my cup of tea for now. And yeah, so let's go for a peaceful walk and just vibe and see if I makes up for things. Also, I have to go for like I have quite some time, so I think it's gonna be okay. Also, I feel like what's so peaceful is the fact that you can just walk, and when I walk I look like this because I'm always looking up at the trees, flowers, and is it spring? Like मैंने पार्क में देखा, every single flower was blossoming and it was so pretty. मैं वीडियो नहीं बना पाई because there were a lot of people walking and that made me really conscious. But other than that, it was really good and I really enjoyed that. Actually, there's a mix. There's autumn and spring going on some plants. So there are flowers that are blossoming and there are some that are still struggling. This is what I look like after playing tennis. Like my face is red. अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं है, अभी तो ठंडी का मौसम है. Watch what happens to my face after like not after winters, in summers. मेरा face is like sweating and it's blood red. Like it is so red. Anyway, I went to a shop to get something after playing tennis and that अंकल मुझे कहते बेटा आपका फेस बहुत रेड है, आर यू ओके, लाइक आर दीज, आई वाज इन अ मेडिकल शॉप, तो ये दवाई आपके लिए है क्या? मैं कहा नहीं, दिस इज़ जस्ट माई आफ्टर टेनिस ग्लो. लोगों को समझ ही नहीं आता है, बट एनी वे it is good, we're good. After I wash my face it's going to be fine, but I feel like after sweating a lot my skin gets a little tight and firm. I don't know if it's just me, ऐसा सच में होता है, but I love it. Tennis regularly and I think my skin should get used to it instead of getting red every single time. मुझे लगता है कि मैं खेलने के बाद एकदम हॉट डीवा लगती हूँ, but I look like a tomato, not hot at all. So that's one myth busted for me, one less thing to worry about. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the vlog where I tried to do something but I couldn't find anything. I tried to be a privileged shopper, diva, but nahi ho paya. Maybe some other day. We will make another vlog about it and have fun. So I will see you very very soon in a new video. And I know I make videos really late and upload them really late. But I will promise you this. I will make more videos. I will do more. So yeah, I'm gonna read more, do more, and kick ass. Okay, thanks for watching. Be happy, stay safe, take care of yourself, and be grateful for even the little things in life. Okay, bye bye.